back at last.
You know me? Why am I here?
I came upon you in a brooklet some days past. You lay passed out due to the feathering. I moved you to the cave to recuperate.
The feathering?
I see. Know you not. A man-eating fiend attacked Worship's Rise 6 moons ago, spreading unthinkable horrors, after which many bore feathers on their bodies. A malady unlike any other, without hope of a cure. I found this silk manuscript on your person. Here, take it. Should you have other concerns, pray, speak then. My Taoist name is Wuchang, sir. I came here to help, to treat the feathering outbreak in Worship's Rise. Alas, I have made little progress. Should you have other concerns, pray, speak then. This is the reverend temple. Those afflicted have sought refuge here. This temple was used by Buddhists. It was after the abbot fled that I took on the role of guardian for the sanctuary. Thanks to the officials, we have barely managed to keep this place secure. Should you have other concerns, pray, speak then. You are experiencing early signs of the feathering. The afflicted slowly lose their memories. If left unchecked and untreated, the disease will rob them of their humanity entirely. It begins in the limbs, sprouting feathers. Then comes the dislocation of the joints, leading finally to a monstrous transformation. Most victims endure unbearable agony. Judging by how you look, you should count yourself lucky. Your memory loss, while troubling, is a far gentler fate. You may not be able to recall, but the silk manuscript you were carrying mentions that you have a companion. From what I gathered when I rescued you, it seems you were separated during an attack. That Lu Hongliu is merciless. I dread the worst for your companion. Now that you have contracted this disease and have those blue feathers on your arm, others may mistake you for a monster and strike you down on sight. For now, it is safer to remain in the temple and rest, at least with the soldiers present.
Disappointed son. Unworthy of the name of Al-Hamidin Spain.
You're awake. You seem to have recuperated well. The old Taoist mentioned your encounter with that demon, Lu Hongliu. I am glad to see you on your feet again. But your arm, the feathers are still there. The feathering's a nasty curse. Even the Taoist doesn't have a cure for it. With your skills, maybe you should check out the Shu Sanctum. There could be something there to hold back the feathering.
Most people have to be carried out of the Reverend Temple. You, though, you get to walk out on your own. Xuanyangzi may be harsh with his words, but he tends to my eyes every day. Some of the Worship's Rise folk came here, fleeing, but they didn't stay long. They rushed back out, unaware I am Tao Ting. Oh, but don't worry. This place, I can trick some thieves from Anal. You can find Analum by once you've retrieved the painting. Meet me at the shoe sack. You can find once you've retrieved the painting.
I saw the old Taoist carry you in the other day. Feathers. I've been stuck here at the... You're still kicking.
Young lady, are you infected too? First, look if your symptom it's
Well, well, look who's back. Feeling lost, are we? We are both wanderers of fate. Now, don't believe me, eh? How about I introduce you to someone worthy? Don't call me cruel. You know how it goes. No sweet dreams without crushing a few nightmares first.
By you. The belt pinwheel.
Do you think our baby bump will look like us? I'm so excited to meet him!
Hold on to it. This feeling.
It's long gone.
But now I get to play. Hello, lady. Are you the warrior that the old Taoist rescued and hid in the cave? Did you come to the Reverend? He's so... Don't worry. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
Wuchang, over here. Your arm. What's happened to it? It's me, He Yuzai. You wrote to me about searching Worship's Rise for clues about Bar Yu. Have you forgotten? Bar Yu, your sister. We came here to find clues. But your arm. The old boatman spoke true. He warned of feathers growing on the arm. A mark of feathering. They say it leads to memory loss. I scouted the Shu Sanctum a few days past. See the Light Zen Temple? The way to the Shu Sanctum lies beside it. You will need to find it if you encounter danger. Oh, and this bamboo lantern. I found it near the fireflies inside. I've tested it personally. With this, you'll have both hands free for wet since we got separated. But the refugees, I'll leave marks. Pinwheel.
Monster!
can't touch me! Scum!
I'll just send you to the afterlife!
Your riches are mine!
Keep still! I'll cleave you in twain!
I just stepped out for a breather and ran into a fine woman.
Have mercy.
臣子恨匹夫等爱。
Mountains near, rivers near, eons past in a heart.
about possessing it. It's about understanding it.
Well, sure, the boss treated me. Guess his mark, this town's gone to. This town's gone to.
Judging by your attire, I'm Yan Sai-chung. I grew up here. Inside that, a few days ago. Since when did Mum? If it wasn't for the village, if you headed to... they say the not that he was bitten. But who knew? Matt, with your skills, excellent. Oh, if you ever find yourself in trouble.
Ancestors, I beseech you, keep my Shaolin safe. My son, is it really you? You joined those Taoists for that exorcism. As for that, how far I heard, they call it if only...